Suppose I am using my computer's Microsoft Expression Web 4, and suppose if I want to go to a particular line in this HTML editing, if I want to go to a particular line, then I go to my keyboard, and then you can see this is the keyboard shortcut that we normally use, that is this is the control key, and this is the G key. So if you press control key and the G key at the same time, then here comes an option go to line, and here you must enter the line number. For example, here you can see 1 2 3 4 etc. And suppose if I want to go to the 21st line, then I must enter here the line number 21. I type here 21, and after that I press this OK. Then you can see that we have now in the 21st line. That is, our cursor have been arrived in this 21st line. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.